Welcome to a new era in education. Generative Artificial Intelligence, or GenAI, is transforming how we teach and learn languages. Since the public release of ChatGPT and a surge of other GenAI tools, educators have experienced a mix of excitement, curiosity, and concern. These tools offer language teachers powerful ways to help students achieve their goals, but they also raise questions about the future of teaching and learning. In this video, we'll explore how GenAI is reshaping language education, what skills teachers need, and how to use these tools responsibly. Let's begin our journey by understanding what GenAI is and why it matters for language teaching. AI stands for Generative Artificial Intelligence, a subset of AI that creates new content, from text and images to audio and video based on prompts. Unlike traditional rule-based AI, which follows strict programming, GenAI uses deep learning and massive datasets to generate responses that are flexible and context-aware. In language teaching, this means teachers and students can interact with AI in more natural, creative ways. GenAI tools include chatbots, visual generators, and multimodal systems that can interpret and produce content in seconds. Understanding these differences is key to leveraging GenAI's full potential in the classroom. Arrival of GenAI has sparked both hope and concern among language educators. On one hand, these tools can help teachers create engaging lessons, provide instant feedback, and support students' diverse needs. On the other, they challenge traditional teaching roles and raise questions about the necessity of learning foreign languages when AI can translate and generate text so easily. Teachers remain central to effective learning, but their roles are evolving. Developing digital competence and critical awareness is now essential for navigating the GenAI-infused educational landscape. Use GenAI effectively, language teachers need new skills and knowledge. The concept of professional GenAI competence, PGenAIC, includes 5 key aspects: technological proficiency, pedagogical compatibility, professional work, ethical use, and preparing students for a GenAI world. Each aspect addresses a different area, from understanding GenAI tools and integrating them into lessons, to managing risks and helping students use AI responsibly. Throughout this video, we'll revisit these 5 aspects, offering practical examples and tips to help teachers build their GenAI competence. AI tools come in many forms, each with unique capabilities. The main categories are conversational AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Gemini, visual audio-video generators such as DALL-E and Sora, and tools with embedded GenAI functions like AI-powered quiz platforms. Some tools are general purpose, while others are designed for specific professions or tasks. The field is evolving rapidly, so teachers need to stay informed about new developments and choose tools that best fit their teaching context and students' needs. Conversational AI chatbots, powered by large language models, are at the heart of GenAI in language teaching. These tools can generate human-like text, simulate conversations, and even take on specific roles, like a job interviewer or a famous author. Teachers can use chatbots to create poems, stories, emails, and more, tailored to their students' needs. The ability to interact, modify, and refine content makes these chatbots powerful partners in lesson planning and language practice. One of GenAI's most exciting features is its ability to create content on demand. Teachers can prompt chatbots to generate poems, stories, dialogues, or academic texts, specifying genre, topic, style, and difficulty. For example, a teacher might ask for a poem about transport for young learners, then refine it to match their students' vocabulary level. This iterative process allows for rapid customization, making lesson materials more relevant and engaging. AI chatbots can simulate real-life conversations, taking on roles such as customers, colleagues, or even historical figures. This opens up new opportunities for students to practice speaking and listening in authentic scenarios. Teachers can design role plays, like handling a disgruntled customer or interviewing for a job, giving students a safe space to build confidence and fluency. The chatbot's ability to adapt its language and persona adds realism and variety to classroom activities. AI tools can analyze, summarize, and evaluate texts, making them valuable for both teachers and students. Teachers can input articles, stories, or student work and receive summaries, feedback, or suggestions for improvement. These tools can also generate social media posts, comprehension questions, or rubrics, streamlining the process of preparing materials and assessment. For multimodal content, some GenAI models can interpret images, tables, and even audio or video files. AI chatbots excel at translating and interpreting texts, often outperforming traditional translation tools. They can handle both written and spoken language, and their ability to understand context leads to more accurate translations. Teachers can use these features to create multilingual materials, support students from diverse backgrounds, and facilitate cross-cultural communication. However, it's important to review AI-generated translations for accuracy and appropriateness. Beyond text, GenAI tools can generate images, audio, and video content from simple prompts. Teachers can create custom visuals, listening materials, or even short video clips to enhance lessons. These tools make it easier to provide authentic, engaging resources tailored to students' interests and learning levels. As technology advances, the possibilities for creative, multimodal teaching materials continue to expand. Many digital tools are now embedding GenAI features to automate tasks and boost productivity. For example, quiz platforms can generate questions automatically, and response systems can organize student answers. Specialist tools for teachers like Magic School AI offer features such as lesson plan generators and text levelers. As more tools integrate GenAI, teachers can streamline their workflow and focus on what matters most, supporting student learning. AI tools serve as vast knowledge resources, helping teachers build content knowledge, explore teaching methodologies, and understand diverse cultures and languages. By prompting chatbots with specific questions, teachers can quickly gather information on topics, festivals, or grammar points relevant to their lessons. This supports evidence-based teaching and helps educators address the diverse needs of their students. Teachers can use GenAI to learn about different language teaching methods and approaches. By asking chatbots for explanations, sample lesson plans, or activity ideas, educators can expand their repertoire and adapt their teaching to new contexts. GenAI can generate contextually relevant examples, making it easier for teachers to implement methods like task-based learning or content-based instruction. Understanding students' cultural and linguistic backgrounds is crucial for inclusive teaching. GenAI tools can help teachers research different languages and cultures, identify common learning challenges, and design lessons that address student-specific needs. For example, a teacher can prompt a chatbot to compare pronoun usage in English, Spanish, Chinese, and Japanese, helping tailor instruction for multilingual classrooms. Lesson planning is a critical yet time-consuming task for teachers. GenAI can act as a planning partner, brainstorming ideas, sequencing activities, and even generating full lesson plans based on detailed prompts. Teachers can collaborate with AI to refine plans, ensuring they align with learning objectives and student needs. This partnership saves time and sparks creativity, making lesson planning more efficient and effective. AI tools can generate a wide range of teaching materials, texts, images, audio, and more tailored to students' proficiency levels and interests. Teachers can prompt chatbots to create reading passages, listening scripts, or comprehension questions, then adjust the content for complexity or context. This flexibility allows for differentiated instruction and ensures materials are relevant and engaging for all learners. With GenAI, teachers can design effective and cognitively engaging activities, like games, stories, and decision-making tasks that motivate students and deepen learning. AI-generated content can be personalized, include students as characters, or reflect local contexts. Visual and audio generators add another layer of engagement, supporting comprehension and making lessons more memorable. Explicit attention to language form is essential for language acquisition. GenAI can help teachers create grammar worksheets, vocabulary exercises, and interactive quizzes tailored to specific learning goals. Teachers can prompt chatbots to generate practice items, then refine them for accuracy and appropriateness. GenAI's ability to write code also enables the creation of interactive online activities, further enhancing student engagement. Students can use GenAI tools directly to create their own stories, images, or videos, fostering creativity and ownership of learning. Teachers can design activities where students guess prompts for AI-generated images or interact with chatbots in various roles. These experiences not only build language skills but also increase motivation and willingness to communicate. And AI's translation capabilities make it easier for teachers to create multilingual materials and cross-language comparison activities. These resources help students draw connections between their first language and English, supporting deeper understanding and inclusion. Teachers can also generate instructions in multiple languages, making tasks accessible to students and their families. Assessment is a core part of teaching, and GenAI offers new ways to design, grade, and provide feedback on student work. Teachers can use AI to generate test items, create rubrics, and even grade essays or speaking tasks. While these tools can save time and increase consistency, it's important to maintain transparency, validity, and reliability in assessment practices, and always keep a human in the loop. AI tools can help teachers design a variety of assessment tasks, multiple choice questions, closed passages, listening scripts, and more. By collaborating with AI, teachers can quickly generate and refine assessment materials, ensuring they align with learning objectives and student needs. Specialist tools and chatbots can also create multilingual instructions and adapt tasks for different proficiency levels. Grading and providing feedback can be time-consuming for teachers. GenAI tools can analyze student work, assign grades, and generate feedback based on specific rubrics or criteria. Custom chatbots can be developed for repetitive tasks, increasing consistency and saving time. However, teachers should always review AI-generated feedback to ensure it is appropriate and supportive for each learner. And AI chatbots can provide formative feedback in various roles: teacher, peer, or evaluator, helping students improve their work in real time. Some students may prefer AI feedback for its perceived neutrality, which can increase their willingness to engage with revisions. Teachers can guide students in using GenAI as a tool for self-improvement, fostering greater agency and ownership of learning. In using GenAI in assessment, teachers must consider issues like student consent, data privacy, and copyright. It's essential to check the terms of use for any AI tool and ensure students' work is handled responsibly. While studies show GenAI can provide accurate feedback, human judgment remains crucial for maintaining fairness and supporting student growth. AI empowers students to take control of their learning through personalized practice, instant feedback, and simulated conversations. These tools support self-directed learning, allowing students to focus on their unique needs and progress at their own pace. Teachers play a key role in guiding students to use GenAI effectively and responsibly, building both language skills and AI literacy. AI literacy is essential for students to use GenAI tools effectively. This includes understanding how AI works, selecting appropriate tools, crafting effective prompts, verifying information, and integrating AI outputs ethically. Teachers can model these skills and provide opportunities for students to practice, ensuring they become critical and responsible users of AI in their language learning journey. Real-world examples show how students at different levels use GenAI to build vocabulary, practice speaking, prepare for exams, and develop professional communication skills. By engaging with AI tools, refining prompts, and critically evaluating outputs, students enhance both their language proficiency and their ability to navigate technology. These case studies highlight the transformative potential of GenAI when used thoughtfully. Integration of GenAI in language teaching brings important ethical and social challenges. Issues like bias, copyright, accuracy, language standardization, and learner motivation must be addressed to ensure AI enhances rather than undermines education. Teachers should critically evaluate AI outputs, promote linguistic diversity, and encourage creativity and originality in student work. By balancing innovation with ethical integrity, educators can harness GenAI's benefits while safeguarding student well-being.